Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we will solve this maths viral problem which has created a debate and it has been received so many comments on many social sites. So how it gone viral and what is the way to solve this question properly? First we will use BODMAS or PEMDAS to solve this question. That means we will solve this question by PEMDAS or BODMAS. So we can see that parenthesis and bracket will be solved in the very first place and orders, and then we have multiplication and division and then addition and subtraction, but here it is division and multiplication and addition and subtraction. So how we will solve that? When we have two operations like multiplication and division or as well addition and subtraction, how we will solve that? We solve it left to right. How? We solve it from left to right in the same way in the BODMAS. So first we will solve this expression by using BODMAS or PEMDAS, which has no controversy. So first we will solve the parenthesis here, and we know that 1 plus 2 is 3. So we will write the remaining values as it is, that is 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 3. So further what we can do here, we have division and parenthesis, so we can convert the parenthesis into multiplication, because we know that within parenthesis and within 2 there is a sign of multiplication. So we can simply write this 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Now we can see that we have only two operations, that is division and multiplication. So that means we can solve this by using left to right concept here. So that means in the very first place we will solve this thing, 6 divided by 2, that will give you 6 divided by 2 gives you 3, and we are left with multiply by 3, and in the last 3 multiplied by 3 gives you 9. So 9 is the option that is being found by using the modern rule of the operation. But why this question has received so much controversy and why it went viral? Well, it has some perspective, that is some historical usage. Like previously before the PEMDAS, means that we can say that historical usage. Before 1917, how we will solve this question? Let's rewrite the expression, that is 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 1 plus 2. So we can solve this, the parenthesis, in the very first step, which has no problem at all. So I'm rewriting it 6 divided by 2, and in the parenthesis we have 3. So what it will be further solved? How it will be further solved? So previously there was some special rule. What was the special rule? That is, the left hand side of the expression is completely divided with the right hand side. So what is the special rule here? That is, whenever there is something on the left, that will be completely divided by with the right hand side. For example, when we have a question x divided by 2y. So when we will use this special rule, so what it will happen, that will be x upon 2y. So it has been converted into some type of fraction. So when we apply this rule into this expression, what will happen here? So here we have left hand side 6. So when I'm writing 6 here, that will be divided with the whole product on the right hand side, that is 2 parenthesis 3. So that will be like this. So further, when we will solve this, what will happen here? That will actually gives you 6 upon, and here we can see that this will be multiplied, that will gives you 6 simply. 6 divided by 6 gives you 1. So apparently we can see that this is the correct option, but we can also see that there is no need to convert this division into such type of fractions or into this form when we have this rule to solve such type of expressions. So this means that this is not the correct answer. So when we have multiple operations, we have a rule, that is PEMDAS or BODMAS. In the modern time we can use this. So this is the correct answer, which is 9.